Cold beach, twilight, borders blur, land, sea, sky. Night is coming or going, threshold is the locust. Sound travels weirdly far, a bell, or is it clang of rigging against a metal mast, drifts nearer, near enough almost to see, but fades again. Voices tune in, out my radio head. Dark figures blot through the fog, or blotted themselves by fog. A dune, the shore is not all flat as it seems. Voices, in what language, are laughing, arguing, calling. Yes, calling. Calling another name that is my name, the name I cannot